girl Jody. Today's April 16th. Today is my birthday, guys, and I'm on my way to get my hair done and my nails and my toes. Your girl gonna get pampered today. So guys, wish me a happy birthday in the comments. Stay tuned. I'm gonna take you guys on the tour for my hair and my nails. Your girl gotta look awesome on her birthday, and I'm drinking my coconut water, guys. You know your girl gotta drink her coconut water. It's nice out. I'm waiting on my train right now to get in the city to get my hair and my nails done. So guys, stay tuned. I'll update you guys. Stay tuned, guys. Have a blast. Be blessed. See you soon, guys. Bye. I'm in the city, girl. I am here. This is New York. Yes, I'm in the city. I'm in the city. I'm in the city. I'm in the city. I'm in the city, guys. I'm in the city. I'm going on the subway now. I'm about to get my hair cut. Gonna cut it. My hair is breaking, guys. So I'm here, I'm gonna get it cut. So guys, my hair is getting permed. So hi guys, I just got my nails done. See, just got my nails done. I'm on my way home right now. I got me some Jamaican food I'm gonna take home for me and David. So when I get home, I'm gonna talk to you guys. So guys, stay tuned. Have a good evening. I'll be right back. So see you guys later. You guys like my nails? Tell me if you guys like my nails. Tell me if you guys like my nails. So hi guys, I'm home. I just got home and I'm warming up my, see guys, my stew peas and the white rice. Guys, it's so nice. Have you guys ever tried stew peas and white rice before? If you try stew peas and white rice, let me know in the comments how you guys like my hair. I know the back is a little lift because my jacket is up. So yes guys, the birthday girl is here feeding her face. I'm gonna get this hair out my eyes and then I'm gonna go dig in it because you know your girl is a foodie. So guys, yes, take a look at my nails. You like my nails and my hair? This is the birthday girl here. I'm so beautiful. Look at me. Aww, I'm beautiful. So guys, I'm going to bed now. It's 10:55 right now and I'm a little bit tired. I'm exhausted. I'm up from 8:30 to get my hair done. So you know, it's a long traveling for me. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below and tell me what you think about this video. Don't forget to wish me a happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to Jody. Happy birthday to me. So guys, see you next time. It's your girl Jody. Your boy David is watching movie. So yes guys, I'm gonna get my beauty rest because I have another day ahead of me tomorrow. I'm on vacation, so you know your girl gonna come with some bomb videos, some lit videos. Stay tuned guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the like button. Comment below. I respond to all the comments. If it takes me 1 week, 2 weeks, I will respond. So guys, see you next time. Bye guys.